This is the Viofo A139 Pro versus the A119 Mini 2. Everyone keeps asking me for it on the videos, so here it is. We're going to show you chasing license plates, going through tunnels, and chasing license plates again. Tell us in the comments which one you think wins. In coming days, we're going to have nighttime recordings as well, showing you how they compare. Enjoy. I love it when you see a camera where HDR works perfectly. Look how both of them work flawlessly coming out of the tunnel, adjusting the light so quickly.